Hello everyone, today's video about the Capricorn Business Partner order section. In the ordered section, only those order will be displayed where you have mentioned your business partner BP code while applying. First, click on the order section and check order status. Right click on the order ID to check the status. Example, video verification pending, mobile verification, payment, downloading, etc. Next, customize report. In this customized report, you can download a maximum of 3 month data in one go. Here, you can choose which order details you want to export as per your requirement. Select from date and to date, then choose required information. Select the option which you want. Enter the reference. Click Get OTP. The OTP will be received on register mobile number. Enter the reference and submit. Your request for order has been sent. Your reports will be proceed on next day. Then after submission, the customized report will be available for download on the same page. Yesterday I had already request the report, so now it is showing as available for download. I will show you the download report. Only the selected option will be shown in this report. Next is export to Excel. This option allows you to download the complete order information in Excel format. In the export Excel option, the order ID, product type, date, payment, download, objection, remark, all these options are available. You can export to Excel report and here you can check the status of the order. Thank you.